Welcome to this quick walkthrough for claiming your MEMEX tokens directly in Best Wallet. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about gas fees. These are the costs required on a blockchain to process and validate any transaction, meaning you will have to pay a gas fee when claiming MEMEX tokens. Due to the size of the MEMEX claim, we expect there to be a significant spike in gas fees. So to claim MEMEX, make sure you have at least $30 to $50 worth of ETH in your wallet to cover these fees. You can easily buy ETH directly in Best Wallet or deposit it from an external wallet or exchange. Just go to your wallet's main screen and tap Buy or Receive to get started. It's also important to note that if you bought and staked MEMEX, your tokens are locked for a full 7 days once the claim period goes live. This means you won't be able to claim your MEMEX tokens on the 2nd of April. Please don't try to claim before then. As your transaction won't go through, you may incur a gas fee. Instead, you can claim your staked tokens at 2 p.m. UTC on the 9th of April by going to the staking dashboard on the MEMEX website and withdrawing your tokens. Now that you're ready, let's go through the claiming process in-app step by step. First, open your Best Wallet app. Select the wallet you used to buy MEMEX and then go to the Upcoming Tokens tab. Scroll down to the Claim Live section. Tap on MEMEX to open the in-app claim screen. Here you will see your claimable MEMEX balance as well as your stakeable MEMEX balance. You will have two options, claim and stake. Choosing claim and stake will stake your MEMEX tokens for 7 days and earn staking rewards. Choosing just claim will mean your tokens will go straight to your wallet. Both options require paying a gas fee. Select your preferred option and double-check the details before tapping Submit. You will see a breakdown of how much you're claiming and how much your gas fee is. Tap Submit to complete the process. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient and don't try again. Once your transaction is complete, refresh your wallet and your MEMEX tokens should appear automatically. If you don't see them right away, don't worry. You might need to manually import the token, and that's all it takes to claim your MEMEX tokens with Best Wallet. If you run into any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to our team on Discord for support.